Hi everyone and welcome to Hailey's Magical Playhouse. So what do we have to do today, Hailey?
A big giant egg!
We do! Wow, it's a frozen egg? There must be all kinds of frozen goodies. Yeah! Let's open it. How do we do it? How do you think we open it? What do you got in your hand?
Magic wand!
A magic wand? Yeah, with a star on top. Okay.
Christmas tree.
Alright, so you gotta use your magic powers.
I'm gonna see where you was. I don't know.
Alright.
Magic open. Open it.
Whoa, you did it! What did you get? What is inside here? How did your magic wand open that? Yeah, that's got some superpowers.
Yeah.
Whoa, so what's in here? This is like the... Oh my goodness, a car and Hello Kitty? How are we gonna get it out?
I don't know.
You don't know? I bet we just tip it over and it'll probably come out, huh? Yeah. Ah, you're so strong.
I don't know.
I think I should help you. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa. Let's get it out. Whoa, what do you see?
I see eggs and Hello Kitty.
Yeah, we got the truck out and it's got create your own Hello Kitty garden, perfect for the outside. And then we have these two giant surprise eggs. Whoa.
There's a little one and a big one.
Yeah. And then this cool truck. Oh my goodness.
I am so riding it.
You want to ride in it?
I want to put the stuff in the back.
All right, you want to take it to drive and then we'll open all the stuff?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's do it.
What about the egg?
That's all right.
The egg came by my feet. I'll be back when I ride this car.
You're going to ride in the car? You got all your stuff in? Okay, let's put this in the back. You want to put this in the back? All right, let's put this in the back. You got your wand in there?
Uh-huh.
All right, now this is your first time driving this, right? Yeah, so this should be interesting. All right, put your seatbelt on. Seatbelts save lives.
Yeah.
That one. Okay. Put your seatbelt on. Okay, now you know how to work it? Okay, you What is that?
Fireman
Anna's
said-
got some lights. You see that? Turn on the lights. Does the lights go on? Oh, they're on. They're just really dim. And then you got a radio you can jam out. Uh-oh. What is this? There you go, perfect truck music. Alright, you just push you take your foot and you push it down on the pedal. Right down there.
Right there.
No, silly. You push your foot there. Now hold on to the steering wheel and this steers you, okay?
I'm just going to be scared.
Alright, just press it. See you later. You got it. Turn the wheel. You're gonna run over the plant. It's fun. Oh jeez. Keep your foot down and it won't do that. Alright, so what do you think about the truck? It's awesome, isn't it?
I'm opening stuff now.
Yeah, let's get everything up to the table.
Rita, can you help me?
You got it. All right, so we got everything on the table.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you gonna do that one first? All right, let me see if you show them what this is. This is a, let's move this down.
Garden.
This is a create your own Hello Kitty garden. It comes with all kinds of stuff, so let's open it up. All right, so let's take out what's here. What do you think that is?
Yeah.
Oh, don't need that. We'll clean it up later. Some instructions.
7 cents.
Oh, don't need that either. Oh, don't need that one.
7 cents.
Oh, and we got the back.
Open up.
Looks like it has some cool stuff. We gotta clean it up, right? Yep. Alright, what's inside here? Uh-oh. What is this? Look, Hailey! A cute little shovel! Let's put it in here. Do you see? What is that? Oh, it's like a radish. Hailey, look who I got. Whoa, it's Hello Kitty. How cute is that? Look, Hailey.
Mushroom.
Oh, it's like a mushroom house. That's really cool. What's in there?
Kitty.
Some fences. Little picket fences.
Wow.
What is that?
Carrot.
A carrot, and you got a Hello Kitty sign? How cute is that? We're gonna have to make this. We're gonna have to put some dirt in here and get some flowers. How about we do that for another video? You wanna do that in another video? Alright, so we'll put this over here. Alright, you wanna do this egg? Look, we got a surprise egg. What do you think's inside? Alright, crack it open. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Whoa!
What is this? We got
Jasmine, my little pony Jasmine.
we got Lego Friends Water Scooter Fun. And we got some Mashems.
I'm sure them already.
Yeah. And look, you can collect all these My Little Ponies.
I'm looking for.
Who are you looking
That's
for?
him.
Which one?
Uh-huh.
Do we have Rainbow Dash?
Uh-huh.
I think so. Alright, let's open it. You need some help or you got it? Alright, let's see what's inside. Da, 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 da. You ready? You want to do it together? Oh, you did get Rainbow Dash. Who did I get? Is this Rarity?
Yeah.
Very cute.
Rainbow Dash.
Can we see Rainbow Dash?
Where's this guy?
That's like the, I think that's like a warning label. Yeah, it says some
I
stuff.
want to open
Rainbow Dash and Rarity.
it. I'm going to open this. I'm going to open it.
Very cute.
How we open it?
Don't mind the dirt bike going by.
How we open it? I want that.
Yeah,
Can
we.
I open the last and you can?
Yeah, we can open this.
Can I open it?
Yeah. Yeah, don't mind the dirt bike. We live in a rural area. Like out in the boonies.
This is going to take a long time.
Got a couple bags.
Hey, we got bags. We got bags.
Yeah, you want to open it? You want to make this? Alright, and we got an instruction booklet. Let's see what we're doing. Alright, so let's build it. You want to help?
Yes, she's here. Where's the ball?
Alright, you build her, and I'll build this part.
Can you help me open those eggs?
Yeah, they should tear. They're pretty easy to tear right at the top. Alright, so we got it all built. Look at this.
Just got one more egg.
Right, we do. We have another egg.
I want to crack open now. Maybe just water dash.
Let me show them this real quick. So this is water scooter fun. It's got flippers on the back. She's cruising. And then here's her little dock.
I'm going to do this one to open this.
Well, that doesn't look right. There we go. Alright, cool. Let's put this over here. And you got the big one.
I'm going to open that. Can I open it?
Yeah.
I don't care.
Oh, you got it. What is in here?
We got more.
Oh my goodness.
We got
Some Fashems, Frozen Fashems. And some Smurfs Fashems. Cool. Wow, that egg had all kinds of stuff. And what are these? And we have some... What are these? These are like... Oh, like keychain hooks. That's good. You can put it on the keys to your truck. And then DC Superheroes. Alright, so what do you want to open next? It's okay. There it goes. Oh well, we'll get it later.
Yeah.
What do you want to do first?
I want to open these. I never opened these before.
Alright, let's get it open. You ready? Dun, 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 dun.
Wait!
Whoa, look at them. Oh, they're cool. They're not as, I like it. They're more stiff. That's good.
Look, I got cheese.
Yeah.
I want to open these.
She looks funny.
I want to
She's...
open these. I want to open these. You have one with me. Okay?
Alright.
Yeah, mine's cool. Mine's cool. I want to open these.
Alright, let's see what's in here.
You go. Wow.
Whoa, you got Elsa. How cute is that? Look at her. She's so cute.
I'll open it now.
Let's see what I got. I got Olaf. How cute.
Not Anna.
Ooh, he's a little more squishy.
I got Anna. Look, I got Anna.
You got Anna? Let me see. Thank you. Ooh, Anna. Wow, that's good. We're 3 for 3. Alright, see what we got. I got the Smurf one. We got the Frozen. Ah, and we got her again. She's a cute one. Her face is kind of weird though. Ooh, ooh. Alright. You got it? Let's see. Oh!
I got Elsa again.
You got Elsa again. That's good though. We didn't have Elsa. So now you got 2. She's cute. Alright, let's see. The last Smurfs.
You have that and I have Spiderman.
Alright, let's see what I got in this last Smurfs. Oh, is it Papa Smurf? Yes, Papa Smurf. Cool, we don't have him. Papa Smurf.
He's so squishy.
He is squishy.
I'm going to open this.
What do you got? That? Alright, I'll do one too.
Wow.
You got Hulk.
What's this? Is this all changed? Oh, no.
So you got Hulk and I got Captain America. Now you just pull this out a little bit and you can turn it. And there you go. And you can hook it on stuff. Hook it on a keychain or a key lanyard. All kinds of stuff. Can we see Hulk? Please? Thank you. Whoa, look, you got Hulk. Strong. And he's the same way. You can turn it or take it completely off. Pretty cool. You like Hulk? He's cool, huh?
What are you going to do?
Let's see. You want to open these ones? So this is
You
DC
open that.
superheroes.
I'm gonna open this one, 'cause I like Spiderman.
You like Spider-Man? You got Spider-Man. Can we see that? Look how cool that is. She got Spider-Man. She wanted Spider-Man. You want to put this on your truck keys? Alright, we'll do that in a second. We'll put them right here. You can... Alright, you can open yours. Let's see. Whoa! You got the Joker. And I actually don't know who this is. Can I see? Is that? Oh, Cyborg. He looks like a cyborg.
Where's my Jordan?
So we put him on we can put him on the stand. Ooh. There we go. That's cool. Alright, so we got the Joker. You like the Joker, Hailey?
Yeah.
Do you like the Joker?
He's like, he's stuck.
He's pretty sinister, that's for sure.
He's stuck because he's a bad guy.
He is a bad guy. Put him right there. Have Spider-Man take him out.
So that's the time we
Because we don't have Batman, do we?
No.
Nope.
Batman. We don't have Batman. Yeah. That's the time we got today.
That's all the time we have today?
Yeah.
Alright, well let's tell everyone goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye everyone, we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time. The sky.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. We release videos almost every day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we'll see you next time to have some more fun.
Yeah.